How to estimate shipping on PandaBuy. What's up everyone? So for today's video, we're going to find out how to estimate shipping on PandaBuy. In order for you to do this, you just have to log into your account. And of course, if you don't have an account yet, I suggest that you create a one for yourself first before proceeding on this video. Now, going back, it is very easy to estimate your shipping on PandaBuy. The first step is you might want to pay attention on the tabs on this upper part right in here, right after you've logged into your account. You will see the options in here and you just have to click estimation. Once you've clicked on this, you just have to include all the prompts needed for you to have your shipping be estimated. Just type all the info needed, including the weight, length, width, and height of the item that you're going to purchase. And then hit inquire. Once you've hit inquire, you can see the variety of courier that you choose from to deliver and handle your package. So for the GDMS, you can see the shipping fee and also the charges by the volumetric weight and also the transit time. Also for FedEx, DHL, FedEx Express, UPS, and many more. So it's very easy. So you just have to choose whatever's best for you, and that's it. Hope you like this video and thank you so much for watching.